Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the security section. After that, tap here to the fingerprint, enter your password to draw the pattern and click here to animation styles. Now we have selected the radial waves. We can use here the boomerang or chroma dial. For example, let's use this one. After that, just go to the home screen, lock your smartphone, and now we can see that we just successfully changed fingerprint sensor animation on our Motorola device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.